Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, we'll be replacing the door lock on this Candy Tumble dryer. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the eSpares website to order the right part for your model. I'm now going to take the lid off the tumble dryer by undoing the two screws that hold it in place. With the top of the machine removed, I can now take off the control panel by undoing the electrical connections and also unscrewing the two screws that hold it in place. Now, with the door open, we can see the door lock is located here. To access it, I'm going to remove the kick plate at the bottom of the machine and also take the door seal off the front. I now need to remove this front panel here, which is held in place by 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 underneath, 7 and 8. Now, these screws can be different, so just make a note of where they've come from. And once the panel is unscrewed, just disconnect the 2 electrical connectors to the door lock. To remove the door lock, simply take out the screw that holds it into place, and then you can just remove the pip away from the panel and the door lock will come with it, like so. You can then grab your new door lock and push that into place, making sure that the pip comes through into the panel, and then you can refit the screw. I can now refit the electrical connections to our new door lock and then refit the front panel and door. I can now replace the door seal. With the door seal in place, it's always a good idea to close and open the door just to make sure it's working correctly. And now I can replace the kick plate as well. Screw the control panel back into position before reconnecting the electrical connectors. And lastly, replace the lid. So there we have it. One new door lock fitted to this Candy Tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.